Let me ask you a serious question. When you were preparing for your last presentation, what percentage of time did you spend on preparing the slides? And what percentage of the time did you spend on rehearsing, delivering the presentation? I'm guessing you spent most of the time on preparing the slides. And I can tell you right now, that is not what is going to make you memorable. When's the last time you walked out of a presentation and you were like, oh my God, those slides were amazing. Like, did you see the slides? The slides! Why isn't anyone talking about the slides? No. When's the last time you saw a TED Talk and you were like, oh my God, Brene Brown's slides, wow. No, it's Brene Brown and what she made you feel and what she taught you. Or Simon Sinek, or any speaker who moves you and inspires you. It's not their slides. I'm not saying slides don't help sometimes, but often we're making them way too important. And now I'm seeing a lot of online presentations where people are just putting up their slides and just leaving them there. And their head's this small. The technology is really easy. You can take the slides away and show you, and then show a slide and take it away. Make you more important than the slides and work on how you deliver your presentation so we can feel stuff. How do you use slides? When do you think slides are necessary? Write it in the comments.